Hey, do you have questions around AI? Meet the brains behind the AI revolution. Did you ever dream of learning directly from the greatest minds in artificial intelligence, AI? If so, your dream is about to come true. For our upcoming World's Largest AI Virtual Conference, we have gathered a spectacular lineup of AI luminaries from all corners of the globe. These individuals are not just experts in their fields, but they are the revolutionaries, the game changers, the pioneers who are shaping the future of AI. They're the absolute best in the biz, and they are eager to share their wisdom, experience, and insights with you. This is an unparalleled opportunity to delve into the minds of those who are at the forefront of AI developments. Learn about their journeys, their challenges, their victories, and their vision for the future of AI. And most importantly, uncover the strategies and techniques they're using to push the boundaries of what's possible with AI. Whether you're an entrepreneur looking for ways to leverage AI in your business, a professional wanting to stay ahead of the AI curve, or an enthusiast who's simply curious about this exciting field, you can't afford to miss this wealth of knowledge and inspiration. Remember, this isn't just a chance to learn about AI. It's an opportunity to learn from the individuals who are making AI history. The world's top AI experts are coming to teach you so that you will be ready for this new world of AI. Guaranteed. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the epicenter of AI innovation. Claim your free ticket now and get ready to have your mind blown. https://tinyurl.com/completely-AI-conference. Can't wait to see you there.